Hi, I'm Melanie. Welcome to my kitchen. I cleaned it for you today. You're welcome. So today we're going to be making a dairy-free, creamy, dreamy, delicious matcha latte. Matcha. Whatever. Matcha is just powdered green tea, and it actually has a ton of health benefits. Matcha is going to give you a calm, steady energy sustained over a long period of time, so you're not going to experience the traditional crash that caffeine will give you. It's also really high in chlorophyll, which gives it its beautiful green color. Haven't you ever wondered why Kermit the Frog is so green? Matcha, obviously. It contains the amino acid L-theanine, which is really helpful for stress. Matcha is also high in an antioxidant that helps to scavenge free radicals in your body. Okay, that's enough information for one day. Let's get to this latte. Mel, your Vitamix container is so dirty. I know. It's because I use it like 14 times a day, and it's kind of my third child. Shh, shh. First up, we've got some dates, which are basically nature's candy. They're so sweet and full of fiber, which doesn't make your blood sugar spike. So they're a really good option for sweetening your blender lattes. Next, we're gonna add in some matcha powder. We're gonna be adding some almond butter, and this is what makes it creamy without any dairy. You can use really any kind of nut or seed butter that you choose. Today I'm using almond butter. Bloop. Now we're gonna add in some fat, which also helps to contribute to the overall creaminess, but it also really helps to make this a filling latte. I oftentimes will drink this in the morning, and it helps keep me satiated for a couple of hours. So what I'm using today is homemade ghee and some cacao butter. Ghee is essentially clarified butter, so boiled down butter. It is delicious and has kind of a caramelly taste to it. And then cacao butter is the fat from chocolate, from cacao. Cacao! Both are really delicious, but if you don't have either of these, coconut oil is totally fine. I love fat. I live off of fat. If you're still scared of fat, get over it. Your brain needs it, your body needs it, and it's good for you. The next ingredient is collagen powder. Now this is totally optional, but if you are wanting to make this a more satiating latte, this is a great way to do it. Not only is it really amazing for strengthening your gut lining, but it's packed with protein. Yum. Next, we're gonna add in some cinnamon. Cinnamon is awesome. It's blood sugar balancing, just a couple dashes. Whatever you want. Make it your own. Just going everywhere. And last, but certainly not least, we've got a bit of salt. You're gonna wanna make sure that you don't use boiling water. So ideally, you wanna use 80 degrees Fahrenheit water. If you don't have a water boiler that tells you what the temperature is, then just make sure that you let it cool down for a little bit. And that's just to make sure that all of the health benefits stay intact. If you've ever followed my stories on Instagram, then you know that I love to make myself a big latte. So it's totally up to you. You can use a cup and a half, 2 cups. I go with 3 because mama needs a big latte in the morning, okay? 3 cups, perfect. Gonna pop the lid on and give it a whirl. Some people think that matcha tastes like grass. I really hope that this recipe convinces you that it's really delicious, super nutritious, and if you're willing to share it, then good for you, because you're a better person than I am. Except for today, I'm gonna share with my husband. You're a lucky, lucky, lucky man. You're supposed to say thank you.
Thanks.
Whoop! So good. If you like this video, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers.